Here we then have the programming ports for programming the panel from a PC. So you connect this into a USB port on a PC, and then a special device would then plug into this programming port there. This is the motherboard of the panel, which is mounted on the door. That's an earth connection, which should really be connected, but it isn't. But I think it's okay because this is double insulated. So there's 2 layers of something in there, and then this has 2 cores, so it should be okay. That adjusts the screen contrast, I think. Oh, look, there's another jumper block there. I'm not going to start messing with this because I don't want to break it. It's got a few capacitors, key switch there, ribbon connectors here and here, a few buttons, sounder, the actual processor which controls the device. That's inside of it. You've got a few knockout holes to knock out the different parts. So yeah, that's basically it. In size comparison to the CFP, it's about, I'll put it up against it, pretty big. It probably weighs more than the CFP because it's made out of metal, as well as this is plastic. I am going to be doing another video showing this board in action with some of the new features on it. But anyway, this was a video request, and thank you for watching.